Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I just want to share my experience with you guys regarding about my PPF and what the Prestige Pro Care did. How many of us buying a product or a purchase that comes with warranty and ended up using it and see how it went? So today I actually yesterday I made a text Jay, which is the owner of Prestige Pro Care, regarding about the front bumper and a little bit imperfections, and he told me, just, you know what, just John, just bring it in, I'll take a look at it and I'll see what I can do. So I brought it in right when they opened, and him and his crew looked at it, and they were able to fix the issues. He actually ended up giving me like the front bumper, like a whole new one, because the other one he tried to fix it, trying to make it work, but it's just that, you know, it's not worth it. So he just gave me a whole new piece, and I don't know if you can see, but it looks right now really nice, and I'm really happy with it. So how many of the owners out there actually stand behind their workmanship and the products that they sell, and to make every effort to keep the customers happy, you know? I don't see many of that out there. Sometimes once you make a purchase, and tough luck, you know, even though it says you're warranted or 2 years, 3 years, but they always come up reason to deny, to service you, to help you to correct the issues. In this case with Prestige Pro Care, you know, Jay, he did an excellent job. And not only that, but with this the mentality and with the attitude that when I brought it in, it wasn't like, you know what, why are you doing this, blah 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 blah. He's like, you know what, no problem, we'll take care of it. That's the kind of the attitude that we should have, you know what I mean? And he's doing a great job, and I can see that through his leadership with his crew. I don't see where it shows that I'm the boss, you know. Everybody seems really happy there, and which is good. I actually talked to one of the apprentices there too, and he seems like to, you know, to like what he's doing, and the environment overall, it's good. So by the way, this is not sponsored by Prestige Pro Care anyway, anyhow. You know, I actually paid you know, for the full price for that one. So I just wanted you guys to be aware of it, and to know that, you know, I'm not been sponsored. I'm not saying this because, you know, I got paid. So far none of my videos have been paid sponsorship. So maybe one of the few reviews, the product that people sent me, yes, those I do disclose it up front, but other than that, I haven't been paid for any sponsorships. Okay, so again, right now the shading is getting off, but I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's really nice. And bottom line is, sometimes, you know, we just have to, you know, trust with the or go with the business, and hope that they stand behind their workmanship and the lifetime warranty or 10 years warranty, whatever that they offer, and hopefully they stand it. Because what if they don't stand behind their work, and what if they give reason? You know, we don't want to go through all that stuff. So overall, this is my second interaction with Jay, and it's really good. So if you guys want to know, I'll leave his information in the description part, and I'll leave his, if you guys have anything, just if you want anything or need anything from me, just let me know. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.